Hey everybody, this is our 1987 Silverado four-wheel drive. 1987, they changed the designation from a K10 to a V10. This truck is 5.7, 350 V8. It is the original motor. It's a one owner, 49,132.8 miles on it. Runs and drives like a brand new truck. It has had one repaint. It's an incredible truck. It runs and drives like new. Looks like new. Does everything it's supposed to do. And the miles in the one owner is documented. It was sold new in Coppers Cove, Texas. Interior looks brand spanking new. Incredible. Original AM FM stereo works. AC blows ice cold. Tilt wheel, cruise. I've not checked the cruise. Dual tanks. Power windows work well. Power door locks work well. Truck runs and drives excellent. OverDrive transmission, 700 R4, 5.7, 350 V8. It's got brand new BFGoodrich radial TA all-terrain tires on it, and new rally wheels. Had these alloy wheels on it. Has a spray-in bed liner. Truck looks and drives exactly like it is. It's a 49,000 mile one owner truck. It just purrs. Original jack is in place. The original build sheet. Original decals. Showing the 5.7. Man, what a nice truck. Original grill, bumpers, headlights, all that stuff works. I have all the original paperwork since new. It's like a new truck inside and out. See us at redlineautosports.com or redlinemusclecars.com. Feel free to call Fred at 580-221-4326. Y'all have a blessed day.